Shark Stratos Cordless Vacuum. The Shark Stratos is a cordless vacuum with a runtime of up to 1 hour. It delivers strong suction power and automatically adjusts to different floor types for efficient cleaning. The vacuum works excellently on both hard floors and carpets. It has an Amazon rating of 4.1. The approximate price is $499. Samsung Bespoke Jet. The Samsung Bespoke Jet is a cordless vacuum with a runtime of up to 1 hour. It offers powerful suction with advanced cleaning technology, making it effective for various surfaces. The vacuum comes with a self-emptying clean station and several attachments for diverse cleaning tasks. It has an Amazon rating of 4.3. The approximate price is $999. Bissell CleanView Swivel Pet. The Bissell CleanView Swivel Pet is a corded vacuum that also does not require charging. It provides strong suction power and excellent maneuverability, making it ideal for cleaning pet hair and dirt from various surfaces. The vacuum is easy to maneuver and performs well on a variety of surfaces. It has an Amazon rating of 4.5. The approximate price is $149. Aerobic Roomba i7. The Aerobic Roomba i7 is a cordless robotic vacuum with a runtime of up to 75 minutes. It offers strong suction power and utilizes advanced technology for efficient cleaning. The vacuum features smart mapping that allows it to clean multiple rooms effectively. It can be controlled through a mobile app and automatically returns to its charging station when the battery is low. On Amazon, it has a rating of 4.5. The approximate price is $599. Dyson Gen 5 Detect. The Dyson Gen 5 Detect is a cordless vacuum that offers up to 1 hour and 10 minutes of runtime. It provides exceptional suction power, making it ideal for deep cleaning. The vacuum features advanced filtration and a laser-guided fluffy optic head that reveals hidden dust for thorough cleaning. On Amazon, it has a high rating of 4.8. The approximate price is $999. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.